Ibrahim an alumnus of Perxels Design School. I joined Perxels Design School as a boarding designer and, just to up my game in the design industry. Perxels actually was an opportunity for me to, get to learn different things, get to learn how to decipher design briefs, how to, create user flows, how to do sketches, how to follow due processes of design to actually bring out a problem-solving product. And this has actually helped me in actually getting a job as a product designer in the USA. And it's really been an amazing experience. Teachers will get to answer your questions, and friends who you get to work with, on amazing projects. And it was really an amazing experience for me. And some of the skills I learned at Perxels, I still use them till today.